So we're still on our way to OCHIO RIOS, and we are coming from Mandeville, guys. Remember, we are traveling from Mandeville. So we've gone to Spaldings now. We're going to Cave Valley. We're there at BROWNSTOWN now. And we're going to OCHIO RIOS. All right? Why? Put this on my hand.
We just yam.
Achoo, baby, achoo. Wow, look on the road and I'm over this and nothing like here. Jamaica, kind of?
It's a build up here.
They might cut highway though. Yeah, we're gonna see if we can go to the beach. They have cut highway, innit? Over this, and I think so. Over this highway, they might cut. Okay, fun time, they might cut the road. Oh, Alpha over this now? Okay, Alkian? Or no, Kaiser. Kaiser over this. Yes, Naya Bingies.
Hey.
You have to give them.
The sun is in the sky is clearing up now.
Yeah, the sky clear up, but that does say beach probably rough. Them just rest off and get this energy off of it today. Jam and them have Wi-Fi, you can call Taylor later. What a roof, pretty. When you look on the color of the roof. I love about Jamaica, be a local shop there, huh? The Arville. Oh, my stomach. Oh, my sissy. Hey, Annie. Yeah, we've just been about 45 minutes left. Yeah, around 45 or so minutes left. We've gone through, where we did? Yes. And I just called the lady and tell her so we're on our way, so yeah. Yeah, when I reach, I'll call you. As I reach, so we call you. Thanks, baby. Alright, later. Thank you so much, Paul. Wow, a church of fear. This is now our wedding. Crusade. Yeah, crusade. So it's like convention. Our friends, come on, the Lord say you must give us your tithe. They call it tithe? Tithe. Tie me up in a wall when we can't afford. So like a 3-day, no? 3-day convention or something. My goodness, yes, I had enough money to rip up. We're gonna go through Frank Gully?
No, sir.
Okay.
What?
No, I'm not showing you. I'm not showing you because there's so many ways to get to OCHIO. What a big place, yeah? Yes, baby.
You know the stringy bit that's in there? Can you eat it?
No.
Oh, I'm eating it.
No, baby, we're buying your gun. You make your can poo-poo.
Oh, okay, it's nice.
Don't swallow it though. You can't suck it off. Not indicate from yesterday and not turn off yet.
How can you do that? That's such a nasty thing to say.
You see the bench job? So that green flag, what that represent now? Allah!
What?
Duh!
What does it represent?
Labor right. And you see the red flag, a PNP in Asia. This was just something to do with the road. See, labor right. Try your best to put a red one, then they might find you. Wow! True, don't it? Look, the pale green flag. Try your best. Try your best put a red one there.
What does it mean?
Labor, a politician party, Deja, Destiny.
Remember last time when we came here and it was like red, green versus green? Yeah, green versus orange.
See, I queer green. There's a wrap up around every pole you see a green. Me box
you put red.
Yo! If you put red, Destiny, them a come for you and your mother and your ancestors and all everybody from back in the days them a come for. Look, green.
Oh, and
The tree not green enough, them have to add more green to it. My God. 444. Jamin, you like the ride?
Yep.
Not fair enough.
Green and red.
Green versus red, yes.
So where we actually? What is the name of this place? On a Clarkstown.
No, I'm not sure. Clarkstown and Trelawney.
So we're Albertown there.
Albertown and Trelawney.
True.
We're going through Cable, come through Cable.
Oh my God, me they get it mixed up. Bab. They get it mixed up. Down here so different. Yes. Albertown when you go up to Trelawney because I just have to take there's a bend down market with a beat. A brownstone is. And that's when I get mixed up
That's what I
with.
just said,
Brownstone. Yes. Ochi. Makes sense now. Lord, Nikki, come
So
on.
you take something from Spalding to Cable.
Yes, a brownstone you go through in it. Say Valley Spa. Yes, you just remember me now. True. Yeah. I saw destiny.
No, I like it.
You just remember me.
Remember it. Not even remind
You mean in my native tongue when we don't make it just come out.
Oh, when on to say
Four peoples.
yeah, four persons. Yeah, there's 4 persons.
None of that natural money there.
They have one little beanie bottle, 1,300 me pay for. So this one come off of some herb called dead something or the herb, dead a week or dead week or something like that. Must so. Me don't know for the maca or someone said it come off of some plant to be good for your body. Yeah, and somebody come test it to realize a good grade. Little teeny bottle, so you know remember the little Barbarossa bottle? The 1,300. Me have in my box same way.
Where about that?
Mobile. Cheap. You want to get it cheaper, because me say you can't get it cheaper, you can get a big
glass bottle like that.
Okay, sir? If you see any Spalding.
If you talk, you know, one truck load yourself.
Jesus, we never think because we want that to carry back on castor oil. We need some castor oil.
Castor oil, very expensive. $8,000 for your quad now.
Don't say that. Because of the
Guys, at this point, I was cussing because them a market the thing for make the thing more expensive. You know what I mean? Everything is a market strategy. I can't be bothered, man. Cha. Left with things, no, man.
it's anti-age. And them go on and just know if we take away things from people. You know what? I record. Shush. You get what I'm saying? All the women them find you put it in your navel and it's good for this. You put it in your ears, it's good for this. You do it like this, you do it for that. Like so we never know that. So now them a market the thing to make it more expensive. You get what I'm saying?
When them have the haircut, the lab one when them come in with the bigger one when it's so hot.
But take a screenshot of your IG, so when them say you a street, you know I might do that. Full up a style.